Orca, guardians of the ocean's harmony. Exploring the fascinating world and heritage of the orca.
By AI for Kids. Embark on a journey through the extraordinary world of orcas. These majestic creatures challenge our understanding of nature with their intelligence and grace. From striking hunting strategies and communal bonds to their crucial role in sustaining oceanic balance, orcas are more than just marine mammals, they are icons of the deep. This collection invites you to witness the spirit and wisdom of these awe-inspiring ocean guardians, unraveling their stories of strength and survival. Presented by YSK Publishing Group.
Majestic giants of the ocean.
In the vastness of the ocean, the orca stands as a majestic figure, a true testament to nature's grandeur. Known for their striking black and white appearance and towering dorsal fins, these apex predators glide through the waters with elegance. Their intelligence is second only to the human, highlighted by their intricate social systems and impressive hunting techniques. As guardians of the sea, they maintain ecological balance, showcasing a remarkable blend of power and grace.
The orca, a master of the ocean's realm, embodies a harmony of strength and wisdom, captivating all who witness its majestic presence. As I navigate the vast blue, I feel the rhythm of the tides and the pulse of ocean life. Here, I reign not just as a hunter, but as a protector.
Vocal wonders, pod communication.
Within each pod lies a unique symphony, a language as vivid as it is diverse. Orcas communicate through a series of clicks and whistles, each pod developing its own dialect over generations. This vocal prowess not only fosters bonding but also aids in the coordination of complex hunting techniques. The exchange of sounds weaves the fabric of their social structure, showcasing their profound connection and mutual understanding.
Amidst the ebbing tides, orcas converse in a beautiful chorus, each note a testament to their deep-rooted social connections. Every sound we utter carries more than words, it binds us together, allowing us to move as one in our shared world.
Apex hunters, coordinated strategies.
Orcas epitomize the apex predator. Their diet reflects versatility, ranging from fish to seals, and even other whale species. Yet it is their hunting strategies that truly astound. Using echoes and vocal signals, they coordinate as a well-oiled machine. Each hunt is a display of teamwork and tactical finesse, mirroring the sophisticated dynamics seen in their pod structures. These strategies sustain their role as crucial regulators of marine ecosystems.
Witness the orca's masterful dance of survival, a symphony of precision and cooperation as they maintain the ocean's balance. In the art of the hunt, we find rhythm and collaboration, a seamless union of instinct and strategy.
Ocean wanderers, mystery and migration.
The call of the sea is strong, leading some orca pods to migrate vast distances, while others remain residents of a single region. This nomadic spirit reflects a deep-seated adaptability, showcasing their capacity to thrive in diverse climates. Whether navigating the icy Arctic or tropical waters, orcas adjust to the rhythms of their environment, adding a layer of intrigue to their already complex narrative of ocean life.
Orcas, the ocean's wanderers, traverse vast waters, their journeys marked by adaptability and the pursuit of possibility. Each horizon invites new paths and uncharted waters, fueling our spirit of exploration and resilience.
Family ties, bonds beyond blood.
In the realm of Orcas, family reigns supreme. Pods are more than just social structures, they are genuine clans, often spanning multiple generations. Collective caring for young ones emphasizes their profound social connections, with each member playing a role in nurturing the future. This deeply rooted familial commitment not only ensures survival but also strengthens the intricate web of relationships that define Orca societies.
Echoes of unity resonate through Orca pods, where family bonds solidify a legacy of shared strength and nurture. In the embrace of my pod, I find a tapestry of shared stories, binding us with love and history.
Guardians of balance, ecological role.
As apex predators, orcas have an obligation beyond mere survival, they are guardians of ecological balance. By regulating marine populations, they play a vital role in ensuring the health of oceanic environments. Their presence orchestrates a delicate equilibrium, reflecting an ancient understanding of their place within Earth's vast, interconnected systems, a testament to the profound interconnectedness of life.
In the ocean's grand symphony, orcas strike a harmonious chord, deftly balancing the scales of marine life. In every hunt, we honor the intricate balance of our ocean home, leaving no trace but wisdom and harmony.
Facing challenges, conservation and future.
Orcas, once perceived solely as formidable predators, now face threats that challenge their survival: pollution, habitat loss, and prey depletion. These forces demand urgent action, transcending fear and inspiring stewardship. Conservation efforts strive to secure a future where orcas thrive, reflecting our shared responsibility to preserve the majesty of these sea giants for generations to come.
Orcas stand at a crossroads, their future shaped by choices we make today, a poignant reminder of nature's fragility and resilience. Though shadows threaten our domain, hope resides in the trust of those who work for a brighter sea.
Cultural emblems, symbolism and lore.
Beyond their ecological significance, orcas have woven themselves into the cultural tapestry of human history. Celebrated by indigenous cultures as symbols of strength and guardianship, they inspire stories of reverence and respect. From rituals to myths, orcas occupy a storied place in human lore, bridging the natural and spiritual, and reminding us of our profound connection to the wild.
Throughout time, orcas have danced across the narratives of human cultures, embodying ideals of strength and unity. In the myths of humans, we find echoes of our essence, an eternal bond that transcends oceans and time.